Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. We have prepared the Ethereum coin news for you. Presents Cryptonic Events. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Altcoins Rally as Fed Chair Powell signals temporary pause. Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two major cryptocurrencies, hit a 6-week high with an 8% and 6% increase respectively, boosted by U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's announcement of a temporary pause in interest rate hikes. Cryptocurrency market recovery is not a short squeeze, according to CryptoQuant's CEO Ki-Young Ju, but rather a significant purchase of Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency market experienced a broad recovery on Wednesday, as Bitcoin and Ethereum, two flagship cryptocurrencies, surged to 6-week highs. Bitcoin jumped 8%, breaking the $29,000 barrier, while Ethereum saw a 6% increase, surpassing $1,830 in the past 24 hours. Simultaneously, Jerome Powell, U.S. Federal Reserve Chair, announced during his testimony to the U.S. House Financial Services Committee that the current pause in interest rate hikes is a short-lived one. He pointed out that further hikes are probable, given that inflation remains above its target. The CME FedWatch tool now indicates an 80% chance of a 25 basis points increase at the July 26 FOMC meeting. While market analysts anticipated a short squeeze event causing this significant recovery and subsequent price pullback, CryptoQuant's CEO Ki-Young Ju offered a contrasting viewpoint. He explained that the rally was not triggered by a short squeeze, but rather by substantial Bitcoin purchases. The positive market sentiment was also bolstered by BlackRock's iShares filing for a Bitcoin ETF with the US SEC last week. This move has encouraged other financial giants to file their Bitcoin ETF applications, further escalating institutional interest in the cryptocurrency market. Adding to the momentum, EDX Markets, a crypto exchange backed by Citadel Securities, Fidelity Digital Assets, and Charles Schwab, launched on Tuesday. The exchange initially supports Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, and Bitcoin Cash, BCH, all of which led Wednesday's market rally. Notably, BCH saw a remarkable increase of over 20% in the last 24 hours. BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes was among the first to anticipate this rally. He suggested that the impact of the U.S. Treasury General Account, TGA, refill on U.S. dollar liquidity would not be as severe as predicted, potentially sparking a rally in risk assets like Bitcoin. The surge in Bitcoin's price above $29,000 can be attributed to substantial buying activity from whales and an influx of institutional investors into the crypto market. At the same time, Ethereum rallied to $1,850, up 6%. Both cryptocurrencies are showing a promising upward trajectory, buoyed by Powell's remarks and the growing institutional interest. Ethereum coin price and price predictions. Ethereum price today is $1,875.42 with a 24-hour trading volume of $25.44 billion, market cap of $225.85 billion, and market dominance of 19.15%. The ETH price increased 0.93% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from June 22, 2023 at 2100 hours, the general Ethereum price prediction sentiment is bullish, with 25 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 6 signaling bearish signals. ETH price prediction was last updated on June 22, 2023 at 2100 hours. Ethereum key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $1,845.83, Ethereum has support levels of $1,808.46, $1,739.52, and the strongest at $1,702.14. Similarly, Ethereum resistance levels are at $1,914.78, $1,952.15, and $2,021.09. Ethereum reached its highest price on November 10, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $4,867.17, while Ethereum's lowest price was recorded on October 21, 2015 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.420897. The lowest price since its ETH was $897.01, cycle low. The highest ETH price since the last cycle low was $2,182.43, cycle high. The Ethereum price prediction sentiment is currently bullish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 65, greed. Ethereum's current circulating supply is 120.43 ETH. The current yearly supply inflation rate is minus 0.69%, meaning minus 834,901 ETH were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Ethereum is currently ranked number 2 in the proof-of-work coin sector, ranked number 1 in the proof-of-stake coin sector, and ranked number 2 in the Layer 1 sector. Ethereum is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 7 days, since June 15, 2023. The price of Ethereum is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 1 days, since June 21, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 511 days ago, on January 26, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 9, 2023, which was 133 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Ethereum's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $1,740.61 by July 22, 2023. Ethereum's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $1,796.57 by July 22, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 60.50, which indicates that the ETH market is in a neutral position. According to our current Ethereum price prediction, the value of Ethereum is predicted to drop by minus 0.85% and reach $1,871.85 by June 27, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 65, greed. Ethereum recorded 16/30ths, 53%, green days with 3.8% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Ethereum forecast, it's now a good time to buy Ethereum. Comparing Ethereum against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Ethereum price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Ethereum price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best-case scenario, ETH price prediction for year 2026 is $40,444 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Ethereum would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $4,639.59. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic Events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.